2027 Honda CR-V Hybrid, YouTube script. What if I told you there's an SUV out there that gives you 43 miles per gallon in the city, seats 5 people comfortably, looks sharp inside and out, and still manages to be genuinely fun to drive? Yeah, I know that sounds too good to be true, but the 2027 Honda CR-V Hybrid is making that claim, and honestly, it's got the receipts to back it up. So today we're breaking down everything you need to know about this SUV, the good, the great, and the couple of things that'll make you think twice. Let's start with the basics. The 2027 CR-V Hybrid doesn't come with any massive redesign this year. Honda kept the changes minor, and honestly, that's not a bad thing. When something already works this well, you don't mess with it too much. The exterior styling is clean and modern. The interior feels fresh without being overcomplicated, and the whole package just feels put together. This is the kind of SUV that doesn't scream for attention, but quietly earns your respect the more time you spend with it. Now let's talk money, because that's what everybody wants to know first. Pricing starts at around $38,000 for the base sport trim and climbs up to about $44,000 for the top-of-the-line sport touring. There's also a TrailSport sitting in the middle at roughly $41,500 for those of you who want a slightly more rugged, outdoorsy vibe. My personal recommendation? Go with the Sport L at around $41,000. Here's why. It comes with front-wheel drive, which actually gives you slightly better fuel economy than the AWD models. And it packs in a 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster plus an upgraded audio system. You're getting a lot of value without paying sport touring money. Smart buy under the hood. The CR-V Hybrid runs a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors, and together they produce 204 horsepower. That's actually 14 more horses than the regular non-hybrid CR-V, which is a nice little bonus. The power delivery is smooth and quiet. This isn't a vehicle that's going to pin you to your seat, but it's absolutely not boring either. 0 to 60 comes in at about 7.9 seconds, which is decent for a family SUV. If you want something quicker, the RAV4 Hybrid does it in 7.3 seconds, so Toyota does have a slight edge there. But for daily driving, commuting, and weekend trips, the CR-V Hybrid has more than enough. Get dash up dash and dash go. Fuel economy is where this thing really shines. Based on the 2025 model, since the EPA hasn't dropped official 2027 numbers yet, you're looking at 38 to 43 MPG city, 33 to 36 MPG highway, and 35 to 40 MPG combined. Those are seriously impressive numbers for an SUV of this size. The RAV4 Hybrid is competitive at 38 to 41 city. So it's close, but the CR-V Hybrid still edges ahead in city driving, which is where most of us actually spend our time anyway. Inside the cabin, Honda absolutely nailed the balance between comfort and practicality. The front seats are supportive, and the driver gets a 10-way power-adjustable seat as standard. So finding your perfect position is easy regardless of your size. The climate controls are simple and intuitive. 3 physical dials. No confusing touch-based nonsense, sitting right next to a clean 9-inch infotainment screen. The second row is genuinely spacious too. Adults can sit back there without feeling cramped, which is something a lot of compact SUVs still struggle with. And cargo space is solid, 36 cubic feet with the seats up, and it expands big when you fold them down. On the tech side, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4 USB-C ports split between front and rear, wireless charging, and Wi-Fi hotspot capability all standard. The Sport Touring steps it up even further with a built-in Google navigation system and a premium 12-speaker Bose audio setup. Safety features are comprehensive too. Every trim gets adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking right out of the box. One thing worth mentioning, the CR-V Hybrid's tow rating is 1,000 pounds, which is fine for a small trailer or a jet ski, But if hauling is important to you, the RAV4 Hybrid goes up to 1,750 pounds. Something to keep in mind depending on your lifestyle. Bottom line, the 2027 Honda CR-V Hybrid is one of the best all-around compact hybrid SUVs on the market right now. Great fuel economy, comfortable interior, solid tech, and Honda's reliability reputation behind it. If you're in the market for a practical, efficient, and genuinely enjoyable daily driver, this one deserves a serious look.